every day here in Telluride. That's what it looks like. Yep. Planes riding down the main street. Bob, Glider Bob with his head painted. That's what it's like. So many freaks, so few circuses. Yep, that's what it's like living here in Telluride. Tom, are you going to stand there and say anything? Are you going to do anything, or just stand and look at those 3 pages of paper? Actually, you guys, I hate to admit this, but Tom called me and he said, "Can I be your assistant?" He goes, "Match.com is not working for me." He goes, "Maybe you could let him know that I'm a single guy looking for a date here in Telluride." Watch him. Watch it, guys. He will not provide me with one bit of pertinent information this entire 4th of July parade. He's going to stand there and look at the 4 sheets of paper, and that's it. Jerry, what are you driving today?
1967 Honda 90.
Wow, that is fabulous. Did you restore it?
Yes.
It looks great. Have fun.